The best way to start any dance is to do basic walk of this dance around the studio in the room. So we're gonna do cha-cha walk. So it goes like this. And walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. Go walk, walk, cha-cha-cha by yourself, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha-cha, stop. So number one, what we want here with Marta achieve, it's to let the spine and the rib cage to be carried forward. So your rib cage leading the step. So it's not the steps, it's the spine and especially rib cage. Like you carry something, like you carry a fruit plate for people in here. And that drives your legs to the step. Walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. So you create a driving force of cha-cha-cha. So let's try that.